Met a llama named Jean-Paul. In line for the funicular.
Gracias. Cheers. Hi.
Oh, Domino hot dog.
Hands in the pockets, hey Levi?
Still a few I have to complete.
Wow, that's quite a move.
Levi, good morning. We're in an Uber on our way to the funicular. We're finally going to the top of San Cristobal Hill. We've taken our merry time, just relaxing and exploring some of the parks in the city. But today's the day. Hi, Baba. Hi. Levi just met a llama named Jean-Paul. Doesn't want to sit on him. Kind of afraid, but he's very soft, huh?
Jean-Paul on the nose. Where's Jean-Paul's nose? Yeah. We're at the funicular, but it looks like the line is very, very long. We have a bit of a wait. Levi, what's the doggy doing? Uh-huh. Is he cute?
Give a kiss. We're going to go with the funicular and cable car combined round trip ticket. Got our tickets. Now we're in the snake line. This is the last step of the line.
Ooh, here comes train number 1.
See something that we don't see.
Do you see Santa? Oh. Are we gonna ride on the train? Good.
Almost there. We're at the front of the line. Here we go, up the stairs. Hey guys!
Hello!
Oh, thanks for taking that. We're in line for the funicular. Wow! Say hi!
People, say hello people.
Levi, 어때? 좋아? 재밌지? 어머. Ready for the magnificent view of Santiago, huh? Here we are at the top. Looks like they've got some shops. Mommy!
I'm gonna go and get us some of these local drinks. Yeah. What's that, Levi? Photo of the bees? For you, Levi, anything. Let's have a look. Oh, we've got some bees on our table here. Classico. I think we'll just do one of those. Gracias. Gracias.
It's really refreshing.
Great. Might have to get my own. I've got one of my own now. It's time to do some cheers action. Hey honey. Cheers. Wanna cheers with Appa? Cheers.
맛있어요. 와, 리바 한국말 잘한다. Oh yeah, nice pose. We're coming up on the cable car station. We're getting in the next one. Here we go. Are you excited? Whoa.
Hi.
Ignoring the camera.
Levi's not interested in sitting in his stroller, so we're making him walk. It's super hot, so we just decided to take a taxi instead. Here we go. Well, the taxi fare seems to be quite expensive, so we've decided to kind of just change our plan. We're gonna go to the, what center is that again, honey? Costanera Center, which is a lot closer.
There was something wrong with the meter. We paid more than 6,000 Chilean pesos to get here, and it was like 3 minutes by car.
Yeah.
So we didn't want to go all the way to the restaurant that we chose because it was really far. So we're gonna see if we could get Wi-Fi here and take an Uber. Oh, that's a tall building. We're making an effort to go to a Chilean restaurant, but didn't work out with transportation, so we might just end up going to Hard Rock Cafe. So it's right here. We got our usual favorites, Cobb salad, and Tim got mac and cheese. Oh, Mr. Levi is so tired. Timmy's baking it. Oh, you know that stuff? It's okay, you can sleep. And he's asleep again. Oh. Good evening. Hello.
Hi.
Levi's helping himself to fries. So where has the day gone? It's already past 8 p.m. We've checked out of the Sheraton and we're now at our Airbnb, which is in the more downtown area of Santiago. It's only 3 blocks from Plaza de Armas. And we didn't vlog because it was a crazy afternoon after Hard Rock Cafe. We had major transportation issues twice. Once getting back to the Sheraton and then getting from the Sheraton to our Airbnb. We were just so tired once we got here. And then we had problems going out to get food. We got lost on foot. So finally we have food. We're back at the Airbnb and we're going to enjoy our dinner. We went to the famous Domino hot dog. I forget what it's called, but it looks so good. It has tomato and guac and mayo on it and onions, and Tim got a barbecue version. Then we have fries. We actually got 2 of these, but Mr. Levi already tore through one. Thank you, Levi. Are you helping us with ketchup? Thank you. Yes, there's no AC in here, so we're using the fan. Going a little old school. Would you like some water? Yeah? Okay. We got a big water at the grocery store. Got a big water. Okay, bon appetit, everyone.
Yeah.
By the way, we have quickly learned that hot dogs are a thing here in Chile, like a really big thing. This is one of the most highly rated on TripAdvisor, I believe. Yes. So we were like, we have to try it. They have a ton of branches throughout the city and we're very excited because we love hot dogs. Levi hasn't taken to hot dogs yet, but I know soon. Soon you'll be a lover. Definitely likes fries and pizza. When we were searching for Domino in Google Maps before we left, I hadn't told Tim yet the name of the hot dog shop, so he went into Google Maps and he just searched hot dog. That was pretty funny to me. And it just came up with so many results, so good thing we found Domino.